Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S80. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic transmission in this car. In the beginning press brake and hold it, and now you can switch from parking to reverse by pressing the button located on the front of the shifter. Same with neutral and drive, but next you don't have to use this button again. We use this button only to switch from parking to reverse and from neutral to reverse or parking. Once we are in drive, you can push the gearbox shifter right and manually change gears. You can see current gear on the instrument cluster. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.